Welcome back, guys. Today I've got a set of reduced height aluminum body mounts from TRZ Motorsports for the G-body, specifically for the Reckless Regal. Let's open them up and take a look, see what we've got. These are packaged very well. First thing, lots of bubble wrap. Looks like we got some directions here. Let's take a look. So we've got the different sizes with the picture there. Everything's numbered and labeled at the bottom. One thing to point out is you'll see right here, the mount position behind the door is not included. Most G-bodies didn't have it. I don't believe any Buicks or Grand Nationals had it. So TRZ doesn't include it. It's not necessary. Take a look at the mounts here. Again, wrapped up in bubble wrap, and they're aluminum, so you really can't break them or damage them or mess them up, but I'm glad they took the time to package them up well. Alright, what do we got? Let's open one of these, take a look. This looks like the bottom, I'm guessing. This would go from below the frame rail. Actually, no, that's the top. I'm sorry. That would go in between the body and the frame, and the lip would go down. And then this would be, I believe I have them upside down here. So let's get this bubble wrap off so we can check these babies out. So one thing I wanted to point out as I open the last couple of these, and you can see from in the directions to the background, some of these, the smaller portion goes above the frame rail, some of them goes below the frame rail. The position on the body is going to determine that. That's why the labeling is so important with the directions. There are actually two different sizes. The shorter two in the front are the number one position for the core support. Everything else was interchangeable. What I have here is a certified scale that we use for Boy Scouts of America for our Power Derby races. It is calibrated with a 500-gram weight, and we're going to weigh these mounts and see exactly where they tip the scales at. The first mount, which is the shorter of the two, the number one position used for the core support, comes in at right at 4.5 ounces. And the taller of the mounts, which is for every other position, right at 6 ounces. So total weight should be right around 3 and change pounds. So as I mentioned before, this is a two-piece design. One piece sits in between the body and the frame. Another piece goes below the frame, and they sandwich the frame rail in the middle. Washer and a bolt go in from the bottom, and a shim on the top depending on your alignment. The other thing that comes in handy if your hardware is rotted, rusted, junk, or you threw it away like I did, is an all-new hardware set from Mike's Monties. It's brass, it's grade 8, it comes with everything that you need, every single different size, different position. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for this week. As always, make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram, Reckless Regal. Check out the website, recklessregal.com. Pick up a t-shirt. Listen, guys, if you have a G-body or a Mustang that is drag raced, you have to check out TRZ Motorsports. They have a ton of badass shit. I have a huge wish list over there, stuff that I plan on picking up and throwing on the Reckless Regal. Do yourself a favor, check them out, and I will see you guys on the next video.